Hey drivers, listen up! In this video, we're going to cover the top 10 things you should never do in fuel lanes. Following these rules will not only keep you safe but also ensure that everyone else can get in and out of the fuel lane quickly and easily. First up, safety. Never drive over the fuel hoses or park in front of the fuel island. These actions can damage the equipment and create a dangerous situation. Number 2. Don't block the fuel lane or park your truck in a way that prevents other drivers from getting in or out. It's not fair to hold up your fellow truckers. Number 3. Don't park in a fuel lane unless you're actually getting fuel. It's not a parking spot. Number 4. Don't block the fuel island by parking your truck in front of it. This makes it difficult for other drivers to get to the pumps. Number 5. Turn off your engine while you're fueling up. Idling your engine wastes fuel and pollutes the air. Number 6. Don't smoke or use electronic devices while you're fueling up. This could create a fire hazard. Number 7. Never leave your vehicle unattended while it's fueling. If there's an emergency, you need to be able to get out of the vehicle quickly. Number 8. Don't use the fuel lane as a rest area. If you need to take a break, pull over to a designated rest area. Number 9. Don't litter in the fuel lane. This is not only unsightly, but it can also be a hazard to other drivers. And number 10. Be careful not to drive over the fuel hoses. This can damage the hoses and create a leak. Finally, be respectful to fuel station staff. They're there to help you, so treat them with courtesy. Thanks so much for watching. By following these simple rules, you can help make the fuel lane a safer and more efficient place for everyone. Want more helpful tips for truck drivers? Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on trucking safety, regulations, and life on the road. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos.